It's just after midnight, Saturday. Just kind of checking on the storm here. It's definitely starting to pick back up. Hopefully you can hear all the little pieces of frozen, snowy ice pelting the window here a little bit. Look at all that. I just opened the door. It is still coming down just before 10 a.m. Sunday morning. Let's go for a walk in this. Blizzard Evelyn is still in full effect here in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Look at all this. Just wanted to give you an update that the prophecy has come true. Definitely got a lot more snow, just like they said we would. It's still coming. It is not over. So we've gotten so much snow here at this point and wind that yesterday a Taco Bell sign basically got snapped in half, fell over. And I just heard that an Econo Lodge down the street, the roof caved in over their pool. Snow on the roof. So hopefully you can hear me with this wind, because this is no joke. We are definitely gonna stay home all day today and just ride it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.